Paramahamsa Nityananda, a rare living incarnation, is named among the world's 100 most spiritually influential personalities today. Paramahamsa Nityananda has been placed alongside Dalai Lama, Nelson Mandela, Oprah Winfrey, Paulo Coelho and others by Mind, Body, Spirit, the world's top esoteric magazine from Watkins, London's oldest and largest bookstore. A yogi by birth, he has been expressing his power of enlightenment since birth. He has authored more than 500 books in Tamil and English. Translations of these books are available in 26 languages in Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Hindi, Sanskrit, Gujarati, Oriya, Bengali, Marathi, French, Malay, Polish, Portuguese, Italian, German, Danish, Spanish, Russian and Chinese. He is also an exemplary speaker with over 10,000 hours of profound life solutions through his discourses. Social services such as Annadan, free medical care, free educational services with ashrams, schools, temples, hospitals established in more than 140 places around the world, offering exceptional services. A powerful spiritual healer who has healed millions of people of diseases from migraine to cancer. A Kriya Yogi who has formulated Kriyas for physical health and mental well-being, benefiting thousands. A living master who offers practical solutions for our everyday problems. He is the founder and spiritual head of Nityananda Dhyanapitham, a spiritual powerhouse who has revived the sacred Vedic tradition by establishing Vedic temples in places like Los Angeles, San Jose, Seattle, Toronto, Ohio, Oklahoma, Phoenix, St. Louis, Malaysia, Brazil, Paris, Guadeloupe, Dallas, New York, New Jersey, Atlanta, Calgary, Vancouver, Singapore, and places in India like Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Tiruvannamalai. A spiritual guru for 10 million followers, an incarnation who transmits the highest spiritual energy through initiation, a contemporary yogi who has revived the Vedic science of yoga worldwide through thousands of yoga centers, an adept in Ashtamahasiddhis, mystical yogic powers, who has effortlessly awakened the Kundalini of thousands and graced them with spiritual powers, a dynamic young guru who is an inspiration for thousands of youngsters. India's most watched spiritual guru online, a beacon of spiritual light who has triumphed over the forces of religious terrorism and political persecution. Paramahamsa Nityananda is an eternal Kalpataru, blessing the world with the boons of material abundance and spiritual enlightenment.
Anandanubhavaswadam sarvaroganivarakam Vande Papa Vinashaktam Nityanandaya Swagatam Nityamuktam Nirvikalpam Dhyanaloka Pradipakam Vande Shantamayam Bandham Nityanandaya Swagatam Anandagandha Sancharam Sarvopadhi Vinirmuktam Vande Jnanalayam Natham Nityanandaya Swagatam.
When 292nd Guru Mahasannidhanam himself came to Karnataka Desa and invited me, please come and become the Madurai Adinam. One side I was in ecstasy, surprised. The other side, oh God, all these fellows, how to handle? There are so many preachers, perverted preachers, who are sitting on empty books, who will come to fight with me. How to handle? But finally, Jnanasambandha decides to accept. The moment, see, from this word, I'll describe only Jnana Sambandhar's story, but you understand. The moment Jnana Sambandhar accepted the invitation in the other country, these priests have started shivering, literally shattered. They are preparing for the protests. The meeting is going on. In their mutts, all of them have gathered, passed a resolution. Jnana Sambandhar has a big hair. How can he be a saint? A monk should have a shaved head. All these great loose discussions are going on. And even the people who were around Thiruñana Sambandhar, a great saint, Tirunavukkarasar, he was staying with Thiruñana Sambandhar at that time. Even he said, "Oh Lord, why don't you reconsider your decision to go to Madurai? Now the time is not proper. King is also not in tune with the teachings and philosophy you are giving. Please, why don't you consider?" Even he was discouraging. It's like a opposition from externally and some opposition even from the friends and the well-wishers. But Thiruñana Sambandhar, he knows what he is doing. And he knows what he has to do. He knows what he is doing. He knows what he has to do. He knows his avataric mission. He says, "I am coming." And he remembers Shiva and all the 9 planets, Navagrahas, sings the beautiful verses on them, asking for their divine protection. And Shiva's grace. It's called Kolaru Padigam. These verses are beautiful verses to remove all the negativities, negative effects by planets. We can listen to at least one verse from the Kolaru Padigam. Inga niramayanga. Veyuru tholi vangan vidamunda gandan miganalla veenai tadavi.
அதனால் ஞாயிறு திங்கள் செவ்வாய் புதன் வியாழன் வெள்ளி சனி பாம்பிரண்டும் உடனே ஆசரு நல்ல நல்ல அவை நல்ல நல்ல அடியாரவர்க்கு மிகவே அடியாரவர்க்கு.
The meaning, beautiful meaning, let me translate for you guys. He says, Shiva, who has Devi as part of himself, who has swallowed collective negativity, the Alagala poison, He has swallowed even the whole collective negativity, alagala poison. That great being, Shiva, Mahadeva, who has destroyed all negativities, when he is sitting in my heart, in my being, how can this 9 planets small negativity can hurt me? They will do only good to all the devotees of Shiva.
क्या आप स्वयं एक अवतार पुरुष से अपने जीवन में दिव्य मार्गदर्शन चाहते हैं? प्रस्तुत करते हैं अवतार पुरुष से वार्ता।
नित्यानंदा here.
परमहंस नित्यानंदा संसार को एक और अतुल्य और अनोखी भेंट दे रहे हैं।
You got practically everything and too much for a phone call.
अब वो लाइव किसी के भी प्रश्नों का उत्तर स्वयं देंगे।
That's great. No, you ask anything you want in your life. Ask me any boon you want.
8 से प्रारंभ। कुछ सौभाग्यशाली लोग जो 08027279999 पर फोन करेंगे, वो स्वयं स्वामी जी से बात कर सकते हैं। लाइव देखें NTV पर ntv.nityananda.org।
He declares the power of feeling connection, the devotion. Understand? Feeling connection is the ultimate technique. You don't need any other solution, method to get out of any problem. Problems of planets, disease, negativity, black magic, anything. Jnanasambandar knows that one feeling connection is enough. He says beautifully, Veyurudoli Vangan Vidamunda Gandan Miganalla Venai Dadavi Masaru Dingal Gangai Mudimel Aninden Ulame Bugunda Adanal Nyayiru Dingal Sevai Vyaran Velli Sanibam Birandu Mudane Asaru Nalla Nalla Avainalla Nalla Adiyar Avarku Migave. The Sadhinams have told I don't know Shaivism. Anyhow, Veyurudoli Bangan Vedamunda Gandan. Jnanasambandar describes the beauty of Shiva, beauty of the shoulder of Shiva. See, now he is inviting Shiva to protect him, protect Jnanasambandar. So he is describing the beauty of the shoulders of Shiva. Veyurudoli Bangan. The shoulder like bamboo, and which is hosting Devi. He is singing the masculine grandeur and feminine grace. The masculine shoulder which is hosting the feminine consciousness, who has swallowed even the collective negativity, the alagala poison. And he is sitting in my being. En ulame pugunda adanal. He is sitting in my heart. When he is sitting in my heart, all the grahas will only do good to me, will only do good to all the devotees. He sings 10 verses and decides to go to Madurai, accepting the invitation. In Madurai, he was received in a grand way by the Queen Mangayarkarasi. Now starts all the fight. The Jain preachers who are not able to handle the whole situation were shocked, shivering, shattered, blabbering. They don't even know what they are saying. Just blabbering. What happened further? Wait till tomorrow. Today and tomorrow, whole day, I am going to give satsangs. You don't even need to wait till tomorrow. Maybe after 1 hour, we will have next session. Today and tomorrow, I will completely give the history and philosophy of Madhurayadinam. So maybe after 1 hour break, 10 o'clock, we will have next session. Whenever our 292nd Guru Maha Sannidhanam has time, he will also come and address all of you. So devotees from all over the world, please tune into Nityananda TV today and tomorrow whole day to listen to the live story of Madhurayadinam's first revival from second reviver. The story of Jnana Sambandar from Nityananda Jnana Sambandar. Today and tomorrow, I'll share this story in my own inimitable style of layer and layer and layer of meanings. How? History repeats itself, you see. God. You can very clearly see. Just history is repeating without missing a single incident. But always we win. We won the game, we are winning the game, we will win the game. So get ready. And today, few anti-social elements are trying to come and garrow the Madhurayadinam. Nityananda TV, all of you watch, be live. It will be live relayed. So I have one more message for all you guys. Cynthia Narcisi, Chicago. Tahira Arve, Seattle. Majori, Corbett. Tejomaya, Ma Tejomaya. Blessings to all of you also for Meditation is for You website, design team. Blessings. Now, I will continue the satsang by 10 o'clock Indian Standard Time. Today and tomorrow whole day we will be having satsang. I will have some sessions in Tamil also. From 10 o'clock, I will speak in Tamil. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bangalore, 562-109. Contact 0974220331. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.